Hey guys, this is Alexis from Linbay team. So I'm the technical from the company that will make the visits to your company and fix the machine. So today I want to show you this machine in particular. This is a Strut channel. This profile we can see it in a lot of places. This machine is going to Mexico right now. So we finished the testing. Right now for this machine we have two different profiles. We have the 41 for 41, and then we have the 41 and 21 for this kind of profile. And the thickness of the material is around 2 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters. So this, and also we can use a stainless steel, but for stainless steel we can only use 1.5 millimeters. We already tested this machine, so everything was fine. In this machine we have around 20 steps, but as you can tell, we have two different systems right here. So I will explain to you every part of the machine so you can understand how it works. In a few days ago we uploaded a new video about the other configuration for the Strut channel. For this Strut channel, the punch and the cutting is not movable. In the other machine you can also choose that configuration. When it's movable, the height will be faster, the speed will be faster, around 8-10 meters per minute, but in this one around 4 meters per minute. So every configuration will have a different speed. Everything will be by your requirements, so let us know what do you need and we can help you. So right now we are watching every step. As I told you before, we have 20 steps, and for this structure we are using the cast iron and the gearboxes. What's the advantage of using this kind of material? Well, it's the stability that we're going to have in our machine. So every time that we make the change, we don't need to worry about the profile, because the profile will always have the precision that we are looking for. For this case, we're using a motor, servo motor that we call it, and which one will be controlled from the cabinet, electrical cabinet. So every time we want to make a change, we only need to set on the page. We need to open to the original point, the safety point, and in the safety point we need to confirm the measurement that we are looking for. So every time that we want to change, for example, from 41 by 41, and we want to switch to 21 or 41, then we can stipulate in the screen. It's really easy to do. So we only need to open and close the deck, and that will be fine. Or for the changes, we don't need to fix anything inside of the machine. Everything will be fine. We have this safety, so you don't need to worry about every time you make the changes. And we're going to teach how to operate every part. So as you can tell, this is the machine that we are offering in this time. So as you can tell, in this system we have the punch and the cutting. For this system we have only one hydraulic station that will be there. That's enough pressure to fix this area. As you can tell, we also have two guide rollers to make our profile straight. So it will be easier to load and fix the material. So we don't need to worry about the loading of the process or any of the profile, because everything will be straight. So in the first one we have this press punch. The one is made by CR12, the material that is made for this mold, but this material we also use it for the rollers. So it's a really hard material. So you don't need to worry about maintenance in the rollers or any of these kind of problems. After we pass, we have a system for all the wastes that we have when we punch right here, so you don't need to worry. And for the cutting, you can also have a box where you can have all the wastage and you don't need to worry, so you need to clean it every time you change the roller, the coil, or every time you remember, so don't worry. So thank you so much for watching this video. So every question that you have, you can ask me in particular, or you can check the emails from the sales. They will give you a better option. So what do you need about the machine? If you want the Strut channel or you want another profile, they can help you to find. And right now I live in Mexico, so I am traveling to different cities or different countries to fix machines and install the machines, explain how to use it. All this process, it will be by me. So just let me know if you have any question. I can also help you. You can ask for my name is Alexis, so you can ask for me and they will give you my number. You can ask me everything you need to know. So thank you so much for seeing the video, and I will be here. Bye bye.